Fed rate cuts are expected this week, but will the market explode or sit flat? You see, let's first take a look at the economic data as well as the Fed setup here, because inflation last week, at least in the US, rose to 2.9% year over year for August's print. Now, that core inflation number did actually hold steady at 3.1%, and the thing is, tariffs haven't quite had the impact that we're expecting yet. Now, here's the thing. Labor markets were also extremely soft, with only 22,000 jobs being added in August. Now, the unemployment rate is rising, and the jobless claim numbers currently at 4-year highs at about 263,000. Now, analysts do expect at least a quarter point cut this week when the Fed meets later on Wednesday, Thursday, so 16th and 17th meeting. Now, speculation about a higher or a larger rate cut is possible if signs continue to worsen, and they're absolutely going to continue to worsen. But let's take a look at metals and crypto here, which are highly sensitive to rate adjustments. Metals are reacting fast. Gold is currently holding near record highs at about 3650 plus as rate cuts look likely. Silver and platinum, palladium also riding the safe haven wave here, with silver getting really high into that $42 mark just on Friday. Now, crypto here, Bitcoin and altcoins are extremely sensitive to inflation and rate cut adjustments. Now, rate easing, crypto inflows could absolutely be expected. However, volatility is likely just before this Fed announcement, so definitely be prepared for that. Now, if we take a look at some key events here that we should be keeping an eye on as well, we've got retail sales on Tuesday, industrial production, housing starts, followed by the Fed statement, as well as Powell's commentary, which is often more important than the rate itself, and that's on Wednesday. Now, expect short-term swings. Expect the US dollar volatility, strength, and weaknesses. Treasury yields will absolutely be moving, and metals reacting steeply. Never mind the crypto swings as well. So with the eyes on Fed this week, it could very much spark a huge rally across the board. Crypto markets, metals, absolutely. But will equities also potentially be shaken out? I mean, the one thing we're going to want to watch for are the days following the announcement. But what's your play here? Are you looking at crypto, metals? Are you looking at equities? Comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to think. See you at the opening bell.